Okay, thank you for joining me. My name is Mahmoud and I'm recording live. So this class will be a familiarity class whereby we get to know much about the softwares we'll be using in the meantime for trading. The first software is Tab Trader. The second software is Binance. The third software is Google Authenticator. And finally, we'll be using any web browser, but preferably Chrome or Brave. So number one is the Binance application. As we said earlier, we use this software for trading, and it is also a wallet because it gives you the ability to send and receive different cryptos and also to store them. This is the front, or should I say the dashboard of the application. The first thing to do is to log in or register. If you have your username and password ready, you can just put it there. So for me, since it is already saved, I'll just load it from the preset. Okay, so this is just a small check. Okay, so thank you for waiting. Wow. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Let me make it, how will I say, a kind of simple for you. As you can see, there is something hovering here. You can find the light version at the bottom. So let me start with the light version. So this is the light version. As you can see, it's very simple, minimal, and easy to understand. But since we are going for the advanced trading, we need to know much more about the software. So I will activate the second option, that is the Pro homepage. The option here, as you can see, this shows some of the most, how will I say, active markets. We have the BNB market against USDT, we have the BTC, and you have the Ethereum and Ripple. So this one is always there. Then we have buy with cash. This gives you the ability to buy crypto using your normal Naira. And then down there we have adverts, different adverts, announcement, launchings, promos, and so on and so forth. Down here we have BTC 24-hour volume top. Okay, these are the top trading pairs, or should I say pairs that have the most volume over the last 24 hours. For Ethereum has 3,159 BTC, and then going down till BNB, the native coin of this exchange, which has 1,118. So as we know, volume comes with volatility, meaning if there is more volume, you can buy anytime and you can sell anytime, and gives you room to trade. So the next one is gainers and losers. This one shows the percentage. This one shows those pairs that are having the highest gain over the last 24 hours. As you can see, we have OGN, Lend, and so on and so forth. And then we have the top losers with the highest percentage, that is starting from the bottom. Over here we have savings, staking, Binance Pool, news, and more. I'll just talk about these two. Savings. Okay, so for this one, it talks about, okay, here we have the savings option, which gives you the ability, how will I say, to invest your money and you get some percentage, that is interest, though Islamically this is prohibited. The second option is staking. In staking, you are being paid to hold a certain amount of crypto. Let's say, for example, if you hold ZIL, so by the time you hold 50 Zilliqa and you come here and deposit that Zilliqa, you will be given 10% within the next 12 months. We have other crypto. Okay, so this is where to search any coin in case you want to see how a particular coin is doing. You can just come here, search for the coins or search for coins, then you just enter the keyword. We have BNB, for example, it will give you BNB. If you have BTC, it will give you BTC. If you have Tron, it will give you Tron, and so on and so forth. So this is all about the Binance dashboard. Next, we are moving into the markets.